everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's another 3-valve Wednesday, and today we're going to look at a very common setup you see a lot here at Brenspeed, a lot on YouTube, but it's a 2010 GT. It's an automatic. It's running 93 octane, and it is running our VORTECH blackout non-intercooled supercharger package. So stick around. We're going to check out a dyno pull. We are going to go down and check out the engine compartment. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Check this out. All right, so here's what we have going. I have Corinne with me today. We are going to go check out the engine compartment. But as you've watched our YouTube videos, you see a lot of Coyote videos, a lot of 3 valves. At the end of this video, I will put a link to our 3-valve playlist. Tons of supercharged 3-valve Mustangs. If you're into that, you can check it out. But Corinne, come down here. Let's take a look. Today, this has factory exhaust manifolds on it, but it's running our VORTECH blackout non-intercooled supercharger package. It's the Brenspeed turnkey supercharger package. We did install a set of Detroit rocker camshafts, the most popular camshaft for 3-valve Mustangs, and it already had a Ford Racing manifold and BBK throttle body installed. So we have some induction mods, we have our supercharger package, we have the camshafts, but still factory exhaust manifolds. So that's the next step on a car like this to free up some more horsepower, as a set of long tube headers, which I love. So like I said, it's an automatic. What is included in our blackout package? So whether you get the satin polish or a blackout, this is the VORTECH kit. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, Kenny-Built boost pump, Kohler spark plugs, the proper calibration, an IAT relocation kit, and the complete supercharger package. I will put a link in the description so you can open it up. You can see exactly more pictures or more info on this kit. And you can email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? But right now, check out this dyno pull. Check out these numbers. Here we go. DynoJet SAE. Crank them over here. 471 raw horsepower. I let off about 6,500 RPM. Torque came in at just under 400, peaking at 5,400 RPM. So that's a really good place to be on this setup, running the factory exhaust manifolds. You know, when you have long tube headers on a car like this, typically that torque's going to be up probably at least 15. If this was a manual transmission car, you probably would have saw about 420 torque, but being an auto with a little bit more drivetrain loss, that's where you're going to be on a car like this. I love the 471. Corinne, take a look at this. 2010 GT convertible automatic, sweet cruiser. And looking at the car, you know, there's no bling. You'd have no idea, except for the sound of the supercharger, you have anything else going on underneath the hood. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'd be happy to answer. And don't forget, check that description. We'll put more info on the parts I just showed you right here. As always, email quote@brenspeed.com, and please subscribe and notify us up to date. Have a good Wednesday.